Welcome to the Tokyo International Law Seminar 2024. First, I would like to express my gratitude to the Japan Federation of Bar Associations, the Japanese Society of International Law, the Ministry of Justice, the United Nations University, the Asian African Legal Consultative Organization ITLOS, and the sponsoring law firms. This seminar would not have been possible without the valuable assistance of these co-organizers and supporters. While the world is increasingly characterized by division and confrontation, Japan has been advocating the notion of a free and open international order. The rule of law at the international level is still admittedly weak, but we must not wave a white flag now. Earlier this year, I visited the International Court of Justice, ICJ, the International Criminal Court, ICC, and the International Tribunal for the Law of the Sea, ITLOS, three guardians of the rule of law, to show Japan's continued support for their vital roles. In order to promote the rule of law, as I emphasized in The Hague, it is essential to foster human resources in the field of international law. Government officials and non-governmental experts in the area of international law have an important role to play in promoting the rule of law. Japan has been working hard to encourage learning together and networking among officials and experts from different countries. In this regard, the Tokyo International Law Seminar serves as a truly transnational and transregional platform for co-creating the rule of law. Officials and legal experts from Asia and Africa deepen their knowledge together by engaging with top-class experts in key areas of international law. I sincerely hope that through fostering common knowledge of international law and friendly relationships among international lawyers based on a co-creation approach, the Tokyo International Law Seminar can make a contribution to the realization of peace guided by the rule of law in the future. Thank you very much.